Hey guys, if you're looking for something new, if you want to search for who you really are, you need to get a haircut. So, Laura's here with pretty long hair.
Pretty long.
We're gonna donate it to charity,
Yeah.
which is incredible, always a good cause. Um, we're going short.
We are.
Exciting! You ready for it?
I'm very ready.
Are you guys ready for it? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, let me know what you think of the cut during the cut in the comments, and we'll have some fun. See you at the end. So,
Can I hold it? So soft. This looks kind of cute as well.
now you can really see the shape there.
I'm so curious for what the top's gonna look like.
See, you have the bob again.
Yes, amazing.
So I'll keep this quite straight.
Yep.
So there's no really asymmetrical shaped length difference.
Yep.
So you can flip
You
it
can
either
flip
to
it,
this
yeah.
side,
Yeah.
or you can flip it to this side, which
Yeah.
looks a little more flat,
Yeah.
but has more movement over here.
Yeah.
And if you flip it like this, gives
Yeah.
you a little bit more volume and hair to play around with.
Yeah.
Now, for styling, there are different options. In the base, there are two pomades, which is sort of like wax or gel. This one is dry. It's a little more clay-like.
Mm-hmm.
This one is authentic or classic, which is a little more greasy, oily.
Mhm.
I wouldn't recommend that for your hair
No.
because your hair is naturally slightly greasy
Yep.
and shiny. So I'll use a dry pomade.
Mm-hmm.
Start here, just with your fingertips, and then spread it. Now you can use the rest of your hands as well. Make sure it's everywhere, squeeze it in.
Yes, I like it.
Yeah, I love it too. Alrighty, ready for it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Nice and short,
Yes.
not too harsh.
No.
That's it, we're done. It's the same client, I promise. Here's the before and the after. Thank you for your trust and for coming in here.
Thank you. The same.
It looks so cool.
Yeah, amazing.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and thumbs up button like every YouTuber says. Let us know what you think of the cut down here in the comments as well. I'll see you, and who knows you, in the next one as well.